Hello everybody, I hope you're having a nice day. So this is a little short but sweet video for you guys here on YouTube, just in case you've missed the announcement on our other social media platforms or you're not yet a subscriber to our mailing list, but to let you know that the VIP Club for 2022 is now open. So the VIP Pattern Club, I should have said that first, is our very special club that we have for our customers who love our patterns. And as a member of the VIP Club, these are the things that you get. So you find out about the patterns before anybody else. So we always send you guys a notification about it. We send you your own newsletter before, which means you'll get early access to the fabrics that we have made the samples out of, which is quite a big thing for some people because often the fabrics do sell out. So you get early access to the pattern. You get your own Facebook group where you can chat about the pattern before everyone else knows about it. We always put up a little video on there as well, just for you guys. And then our pattern insiders also share their makes on there before the general release too. Also, you will get 2 VIP Club sales, so just for you guys, no one else. And we also let you know about any other sales a little bit before, so you're kind of ready before everyone else is. Now, to join the VIP Club, it just costs £10. So £10 one-off payment, and that's for the year. So to get the early access to all the patterns, and included in that is also a free pattern of your choice. So all of our patterns start from £11 as PDFs. So that means you're going to always save money. So if you've got a pattern that you've got your eye on, then this could be an opportunity to use the code that you get when you sign up to buy that pattern. Or if you prefer, you can just save your code and wait and use it for something that you see next year. The only thing to say about that is you won't be able to use it the month that the new pattern's out, but you could use it the month after on that new pattern if that's what you wanted to buy. So £10, 1 year, all of those perks, yeah, that's it really. Really simple. I'll make sure that in the description below there's a link to it so you can go on there and sign up, so that you don't miss out from anything starting in the new year. And yeah, you join our lovely community of VIP Pattern Club members.